Okay, let's start. Describe a quiet place you like to spend your time in. You like means present tense, and quiet place, it can be anything. So please, you can start.
And nowadays, it's very difficult to find a quiet place due to the noise pollution in cities. But today, I would like to talk about a farmhouse, which is actually my friend's farmhouse, and it is far from 2 or 3 kilometers from my house. It is very quiet and peaceful place. I go there. Moreover, I go there twice a week, or sometime due to hectic routine, I go there only once a week. But whenever I go there, I feel very relaxed and comfortable here. And after visiting there, I feel very energetic and cope up with the daily life routines. And I do the different variety of activities there, like swimming, swimming and playing games and watching movies, and sometime sleep there. And I really like this kind of quiet place because it gives me peace of mind. And
Okay, thank you so much. You're using and after every sentence, so try
Yes.
to avoid that.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
because you need to complete sentences, then start a new one. When you start a new
I
sentence,
noticed.
you can say moreover, additionally, furthermore, not
Furthermore.
only this. So it's going to be fine, but don't use and after every
I
sentence.
noticed that.
Okay, let's go on. Why do you think it is important to spend some time in quiet places?
Yes, it is very important because nowadays people are engaging different kind of hectic work routine. So spending time at the quiet places, it makes the mind more soother or relaxed or more energetic. So that is why people should spend time more at some time of peaceful places.
Okay, why do you think it is difficult to find quiet places in cities?
Yes, definitely. It is very difficult to find quiet places, cities, because due to the increasing urbanizations and cars or vehicles noise pollution. So it is very difficult to spend time or find some kind of peaceful places in cities.
All right, overall, it's very good. Keep it up. Be familiar with all the topics.
Okay.
It's going to be good.
Thank you.